drives BlueYonder's commitment, consistent commitment to supporting the open source ecosystem and to supporting specifically PyData and NumFOCUS?
So I think it's the people at BlueYonder who drive this first and foremost. The engineers that we have, they're passionate about the craft. They are passionate about the tools that they use, and they also like to share. Many of us have a background from university. We have both collaboration and competition, and it's similar in the open source community. Everybody's helping out each other, but still there's some projects doing the same things. So it's friendly competition. And when you go to a conference in the open source community, it's very similar than to going to a scientific conference.
Which BlueYonder supported open source project are you most proud of? Which project do you think will have the most impact on the industry?
I would say Cartothek is like the most interesting one, because it tries to solve the problem: how can I maintain large tabular data with very reasonable costs in a cloud infrastructure, while still being able to manage consistency of your data set. So it provides you with easy access on multiple cloud stores. So I think that's really cool, and to see how it will interact with the other tools in the environment. So that's one. The other one is TurboDBC, which is an ODBC bridge for Python. So you can basically use it with any database that provides an ODBC driver. And ODBC is not like the selling point, but it's attempting to use binary data in the inside and trying to expose the binary data to Python users as NumPy arrays and PyArrow tables.